Hi, I'm Allie. Welcome to ImJustWeired. Today we're doing a $10 toy review. Today's toy is the Lego City Race Boat. We're going to open it up, show you what's inside. We're going to put it together, and we're going to see how hard it is, how long it takes, and we're going to see if it's worth your $10. Okay, so now let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so first we have one bag of big parts, one bag of small parts, one instructions manual, and one sticker sheet. Let's start the build. Okay, so I finished the build. It took me about 17 minutes to build. It comes with the boat, the buoys, the figurine, and extra parts. But the big question is it worth your $10? In this case, no, because it's too easy for the age groups that would play this, and it has poor replayability. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.